Hi everyone, my name is Gojo. Today I'm gonna teach you some very common Japanese phrases that Japanese people use every day. First phrase is 行ってきます. 行ってきます. That means I'm leaving home. And if you're staying at home, you can say 行ってらっしゃい. 行ってらっしゃい. That means please come back safely. And these two phrases are always used together. And next few phrases, tadaima, tadaima, which means I'm home. And when someone returns home, you say okaeri, okaeri, which means welcome back. Next phrase is itadakimasu, itadakimasu, which means let's eat, but also it shows gratitude for food and effort. When we finish food, we say ごちそうさまでした. ごちそうさまでした, which means thank you so much for the meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.